Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in Law of Attraction, we'll see the best possible guide. What are the techniques that you can use and implement and leverage as far as using Law of Attraction in your life is concerned, and what are the best guiding principles that you can think of implementing from Law of Attraction in your personal life. Law of attraction, the beginning. What law of attraction basically tells is law of attraction has worked for millions and it will also work for you. There is absolutely no reason why law of attraction cannot be used and implemented in your personal life also. Making the beginning. Attract positivity. Like attracts like, attract good in life. The fundamental principle of law of attraction is like attracts like. Good attracts good, negative attracts negative. So what is that you want in your life? It is good. If you attract good, you will get good in life. If you attract positivity, you will get positivity in your life. If you attract optimism, you will get optimism in your life. The beginning actually is attracting. Attract positivity. Then change it. Know your desires, believe and see it coming. It has worked for a lot of people, it will work for you. Like attracts like, and you actually know your desires. What is that you want to become in your life? What is that you want to achieve in your life? A clutter-free mind, sole objective, and believe and see it coming. It will come to you. Trust me, it will happen to you. You just have to know your desires, know your goals, know your objectives, think positively, attract positivism in your life, attract optimism in your life, and things will happen in your life. It will change your life. It is possible. The journey, how it actually works. Dream list, make your desires clear, create a dream list. You have to be absolutely clear with what you want to achieve in your life. The dream list, step by step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create a dream list and make sure that you have your intentions absolutely clear with what you want to do. Bliss, always live in a happy mode. The more you creep and complain, the more the negativity you are attracting into your life. Make sure that you live in a happy life. Bliss inspires positivity. The more the happiness, the better the attraction towards your goals and objectives. Chase your dreams, work in pursuit of excellence. It is often said that if you love doing what you love to do, make that your profession. The more you make your passion your profession, the better for you. If you want to do something in your life, but due to certain circumstances you are doing something else, then it will never work, because there is a conflict between the head and the heart. When there is a conflict between the head and the heart, your heart is somewhere else and you are doing something else. That is not going to work, and there cannot be any pursuit of excellence when your head and the heart are not together with what you are doing. Make sure you chase your dreams and work in pursuit of excellence by making your passion your profession. Gratitude, stop complaining and be grateful for what you already have in your life. Be thankful. Thank you so much for everything that life has given me. Be grateful, be thankful, and be content what you already have in your life, and chase your dreams. The more you do it, the better for you. 7 steps to make law of attraction work for you. Number 1, know your desire, clearly identify, know what you want. You must be very, very clear with what you want to do in your life. Your desires have to be crystal clear. Your goals, your ambitions have to be very, very clear. That is the fundamental point number 1. Believe, always believe it will soon happen to you. You have to live your life in such a way that it is happening right now to you. Don't live in future. It will happen me next month, it will happen next year. No, live your life as if it is already happening in your life. Just have to believe in that. Visualize meditation to help manifest the desires. You have to manifest your desires as if they are happening, and you have to do the visualization and meditation. Visualize things happening in your life. Imagine things happening in your life, and that is how manifestation of desires takes place. Inner dialogue, what you think every day becomes your actions. Whatever the thoughts in you have in your mind, they becomes your actions, because the thoughts are actually making your body react to those thoughts. When your body reacts to your thoughts, you are actually making it happen into actions. So whatever the inner dialogue you have, that has to be absolutely positive, because the body will respond to it and make positive things for you. When you question, you ask yourself, mind will find the answers. The questions are very important. The fifth point, you have to question yourself. Ask yourself, what is that you want? Or if there are any impediments in your life, or the obstacles in life, hurdles in life, what is stopping you from achieving what you want to achieve? You actually ask questions for you, and your mind will give you the answers. Set desires in motion, believe it coming. You have to let it go. Make your beliefs and desires in motion and leave them go. Let them go and believe they are actually coming back to you, making things happen for you. And gratitude. Be grateful always for things that are already happening in your life. Be thankful for everything that you already have in life. And these are some of the 7 factors or the steps that you can use and implement in your life for law of attraction to work for you. 3 simple step process. Number 1 is the desire, then number 2 is the action, number 3 is the result. You desire something, what you want, the wishes, the needs, the dreams. Ask yourself what you want. Then this has to be translated into action. How this will happen? Inspiration, passion, belief, determination, and hard work. You actually motivated with what you have. You are actually making your passion your profession. You have that self-belief that you can achieve it, and the determination, hard work will get you what you want. And this action will be translated into success, excitement, happiness, feeling, and the manifestation of your goals and objectives. Very, very simple, as easy as this. Imagine that you have something, your desire, your goals, objectives, you translate that and you will get the result. As simple as that. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is law of attraction, the beginning, law of attraction, the journey, 7 steps to make law of attraction happen to you, and 3 simple step process. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.